How to redeem Ulta gift card. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can redeem Ulta gift card. So in order to redeem your gift card, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, in order to redeem your Ulta gift card, you'll have to use it as a way of payment method. So basically what you'll have to do is you have to log in into your Ulta account. So in my case, I'm using a web browser. You can use any of these applications. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So once you're logged into your Ulta account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So first of all, let me go ahead and add a product to my card. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the product name. Once you locate the following product that you're actually looking for it, go ahead and add the product to your cart. So let me just go ahead and add this to my cart. After the product has already been added to the cart, go to the cart icon, or you can just go ahead and tap on the checkout button. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. And here you can see you are taken to the cart icon. So after that, you need to go ahead and enter in the redemption code on your phone number as per the payment method, and you'll be receiving some amount of discount for the product for using a gift card. So in this way, you can redeem your gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.